Here we've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first, go to the settings, now find and select sound, and here click on ringtone. As you can see here, you've got all options that you can apply, and let me show you some of them. I will just volume it up. And let me start with Emerald. So then just pick the one that you would like to apply. Go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been already changed. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.